Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to share permissions with another user. By sharing permissions, you'll be able to have someone else upload videos or other content, edit your channel for you. So the first thing you're going to do is you'll click on your profile image and click on YouTube Studio. Once you're on this page, you're going to click Settings and then Permissions. And then you'll click this invite button here and enter the email of the person you want to share with. It does have to be a Gmail account that you share with. Next, you'll select the level of access you would like this person to have. I'm going to click Editor for this and click Done. And once you click Save, it will shoot an email to the person that you've invited them, and you will probably have to verify with Google that it's you with whatever setup you have.